Hi, this is Sherry here at the Little Beading Closet, and I can't believe it's the middle of February already, which means one thing. Eureka Crystal Beads has come out with a brand new light collection, and you don't want to miss this one. Presenting the Locked Away Collection Lite, a mesmerizing color palette carefully curated especially for beaders. I can't get over how beautiful this collection is as a whole. Let me show you all the pieces that make it up so you can fully appreciate it and make an informed decision if it's something you'd like to purchase. Speaking of purchasing, I'm an official partner with Eureka Crystal Beads. See the product description to get a collection for yourself. With so many fabulous things, let's dive right into it. But before we do, make sure you keep an eye out for 2 sneak peeks at upcoming projects. I'll put those in close to the products that will be used in the projects. There's a full tube of seed beads, and these are mixed sizes, so you're getting size 15s, 11s, and 8s. And these are in a matte silver-lined capri blue. And there's also these beautiful creamy pearl-colored size 11 round seed beads. There's 5 grams of size 11 Miyuki Delica beads and 5 grams of a Miyuki smaller drop. It's a 2.8 millimeter. And I want to show you this really beautiful strand of 4 millimeter pearls. This is an antique gold. You get 100 of them. And a strand of 25 beautiful fire polish beads and a blue that's coordinating with that capri blue. But these are actually a metallic nebula blue. In the same metallic nebula blue, this is a strand of 100 3 millimeter round drugs. These are great small bead, love them. And just a little smaller are these 2x3 Chinese crystal rondelles that bring sparkle and life to any project. You get a full strand, and my gosh, there's always so many of them. And one of my personal favorite color of beads is this pale bronze gold. These are paisley duos. They're a check glass bead. Of course, they're a 2-hole bead. They're a lot of fun to work with. And my gosh, I haven't seen these in quite a while. The 2-hole diamond bead, they're 4 by 6.5 millimeter, and you get a full 2.5 inch tube. Now we need to talk about the crystals. These are Krakovski 12 millimeter Rivolis, and there's something really special about their crystals. They have such a depth of color that stays true. You can really see it when you work with it in your beading. Love their crystals. See what I mean on how beautiful these crystals look in a project? These Radiant Rivoli Earrings are one of the 2 projects that I will have on my channel available for you to follow along to a tutorial so you can make something using the things that are in this collection. I'll show it to you in Aga style. How about that? And wow, look at the depth of color in this. This is a deep sea blue, absolutely stunning 10 by 14 octagon. Love those. Here we have these beautiful 8 millimeter chatones. They're set in a gold setting. Look at this. How fun would that be to work into something? Love these too. And yes, I really do love these because they're part of the Blooming Gateway Bracelet. And that is the second tutorial that I'll have using pieces from this collection. And don't forget, you can always find it on my channel or links at the Eureka Crystal Bead website. And here we have 40 Preciosa 4 millimeter bicone crystals. And I had to look up the color name on these. I thought they were just stunning, and I didn't see anything like it ever before. This is a tongue twister for me. My goodness, Malibu Blue. In true Eureka Crystal Bead fashion, we have some gold-plated Gleam Craft findings. Here we have a toggle clasp with a nice fleur-de-lis accent, a cute pair of ear wires with a side-facing loop to connect something from, and something that I've personally been eyeing on their website. I thought these looked so nice. These connectors right here, you get a total of 4. What a mesmerizing, beautiful collection of beads this month.